Now I'm going to take some pre-catalyzed lacquer, 20 degree, which matches the 20 degree sheen that we have here. And this will let you know there's not much of reflective light. Even when you look side to side, I don't see too much reflective light, so you're not going to see sheen difference. So it makes it a little bit more forgiving, but I'm just going to isolate this area and just put a little clear coat and see what our color turns into. Okay. Now, it's lighter than this color, but now my stain's not going to directly impact the area there. I'm just going to do that. A little shot there. Okay, now you want to let that dry a little bit. Okay, so that's looking not too bad. You have to give it some yellow now. Okay, so this is where I might mix up a little bit of a custom color to do some touch up on there. I could also use my airbrush, which I might just do that. Might be a good idea. Okay, so I got my little glass container with for my airbrush. I'm gonna take some of this color, and I'm gonna pour a little bit of this into there. I don't need much at all. Okay, with that color, I'm just gonna give this a little hint of my trans yellow. Okay. Okay, so I have this. Now what I'm gonna do is add a little bit of hydrogen into it to dilute it. Okay. We kind of have the whole vial. Pull it out with my thumb, give it a shake. Okay, so this is very translucent. It's just going to bring a little bit of yellow color into that. Okay, so the clear 20, give it a good shake. Shake this way. Shake this way. And do both if you want. you have to mix all the flattening agent that's in here plus the lacquer thinner plus the lacquer itself and blend it into one consistent liquid. Okay, just because they have dishes right here. No, the airbrush and all that stuff was down below this way, and so the overspray came downwards and outwards. So, but I'm going to be hitting close around here, so I'm just going to protect that with lacquer. Put it on that edge line there. Okay, there, and that side. Okay, so I'm just going to strap it up in here, take it up there, take it up here. Now you don't have to worry about that. I'm not hitting, I'm just be hitting the edge of this, which you're not going to see at all. Okay, so I'm gonna, I'll obviously give this a couple of good coats. So I want to make sure that I have a sealer coat. I'll scuff sand it and then I'll top coat. The spray bomb cans. No, this way, the fan's right now shooting like that, which is what we want. If you want to change it, grab your nail, go to the side, and turn it so that it's like this. That way, your fan's this way, you have to go up and down. Okay, so we need it the other way. I just want to give you a little demonstration there. And these are the best spray bombs, I think. For sure. You can do round, but you have to be more experienced and precise with it because it's easy to get sags and dry streaks. Okay, so here's a good example. There's your spray pattern, so it's this way. And you see, it doesn't have a lot of a halo on it, so because these are actually come like 70% thinners already, so it's pretty thin. It's easy to get sags. Okay, here we go. Now, right there, I'm going to spray right in the corner there, so I know where my spray is. And stop at the corner. Nice and easy passes. Okay, the end of my spray was at the very tip of this. Okay, so I'm just going to let that flash off. Okay, it looks nice in unison in color. Okay, so we're dry to the touch. Okay, so that feels nice. Okay, and so what I'm going to do, the smooth part of it, whatever's feeling smooth, all you need to do is just give it a little bit of abrasion, and you need for your top coat to smooth everything over. So I'm going to transfer my weight into the corner with my fingers, and then into the corner with my thumb. Okay, on the top part, and I'm just going to move that top part down just slowly. I'm just using very light pressure. Okay. Okay, so I'm just going to hit this. Okay. Just to smooth that over. Okay. Now at this point it's pretty clean, so I'm not going to use any rags. I don't want to leave them in on there. So I'm just going to hit the bottom part. Okay, now I'm going to hit the top and bring it down. Okay. Okay, that looks beautiful. Okay. That's wonderful. Okay, so this is it. That's about 2 feet away. And we'll take that. Okay. So now you just have the normal shadow of the light coming down off of this piece here and casting a shadow line. Outside of that, looks pretty good. We brought the color. I would say that's a 98 to 99%. So, yeah. From afar, this is at 3 feet away, right? And at 1 foot, you're looking at that. So that's not too bad. Okay, and just to get it in here, and took care of that bottom portion that was damaged here. And of course, she took care of the way the steam damage. She took care of that 100%. So now we're just going to put our door back on. And the way I did it before, taking it off, I take the bottom off and then take the top off. Well, you do the exact same reverse and reinstalling it. So you just get this up. So now we have casting down at the door. See how it notches out here, right? We've got the same notch out here, going across here. So you do have the regular line, but yeah, it looks a lot better. And I think the client's gonna be happier. See?